Alright, we here. Shit. The big man here. About to eat this. And alright, so before we get started, I just want to do a little voiceover of what I'm doing to the exhaust right now. So the backstory is, when I called the shop, I told the mechanic that I wanted to do a muffler delete on my TL, but I didn't clarify to the mechanic that it was a Type S. So when I arrived at the shop and he was examining the exhaust, he told me that I didn't clarify on the phone that it was a Type S, so it's gonna cost more to do a muffler delete on. So for those who don't know, the main difference between the Type S and a regular TL is that a TL has single exits on both sides, whereas the Type S has dual exhaust tips on both sides. So while he pointed out that it was a dual exhaust and it's a Type S, it would cost more to do a muffler duty on the car. So for the time being, since we're already at the shop and the car is already on the lift, we might as well get single exhaust for the budget that I came in for. And hopefully in the future, I'll install some dual exhaust tips on the car, or maybe just get a whole new cab system. It's gonna cost more, so I'm gonna just put a single exit. Cool. I wanna come here. My name is Muffler, Stop Shop. Don't get you wet. There's Beamer right here. Nice.
Four to 6 days later.
Alright, chill.